Hey everyone, today we're going to be collecting our masterwork research to get our shiny Keldeo. So let's have a look and see what we need to do for our research. So we need to catch 151 Pokemon originally discovered in the Kanto region, 100 Pokemon originally discovered in the Johto region, 135 Pokemon originally discovered in the Hoenn region, 107 Pokemon originally discovered in the Sinnoh region, 156 Pokemon originally discovered in the Unova region, and catch a Pokemon on 10 different days. So obviously the first page of this research is going to take us a while to complete. I'll be uploading videos with the progress that I'm making throughout this research. If you are also doing the masterwork research, please do let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.